Percentage-wise, out of 100%, how much do you save?
I live out of 20% lang.
So you save and invest 80%.
Hindi 80.
80?
Save
and invest total.
save and invest total.
80? 80%. So,
And then 10 to the church.
okay, so 70 save and invest. Okay. Tapos, married, single?
Single.
Kaya pala. Hindi, okay lang. First of all, this is Cristina. Tama ba?
Cristina.
Cristina, where do you work?
BPO.
BPO. What kind of work in the BPO?
Account manager for a cable company in the US.
How long na?
9 years.
9 years. How's your savings so far? Kasi majority from the BPO industry, glamoroso yung lifestyle eh.
Yes, that's true.
Talaga? Percentage-wise, out of 100%, how much do you save?
I live out of 20% lang.
So you save and invest 80%.
Hindi 80.
80? Save and invest total.
Save and invest total.
80? 80%. So,
And then 10 to the church.
okay, so 70 save and invest. Okay. Tapos, married, single?
Single.
Kaya pala. Hindi, okay lang din. Hindi naman. Hindi, pero when
Hindi,
you
kita.
oh.
Nag-seminar ka sa church noon. You
Sa
said,
church?
sa Victory Fort.
Taga Victory ka.
2016, yes. So, you said,
That's where
wala
you met me.
Wala ka pang anak, wala ka pang asawa, pero you were saving for
Galing.
marriage, for children. Ay, yun.
Oo.
So, simula no,
I
nag-save na ako.
I remember that. Okay. Wow, okay.
Single stock.
Yeah. Okay, may kapatid ako single by the way. So, just in case. Victory din yun. Victory Makati. Okay. What's your question? Wait.
Question para sa mga...
You've been investing since 2016?
2016.
Okay. So far, kumusta naman? Bihira lang kasi nasa BPO na nag-invest eh. Lahat sila nag-invest sa Prada eh.
Sa milk tea.
Tsaka milk tea. Hindi, meron Prada. LV.
Yun.
Okay.
Question ako sa'yo para sa mga subscribers ko.
Pati subscribers mo. Okay.
When you first heard about stock investing, take us back to the what's the story?
Alin?
Kung paano mo siya na-discover, paano mo nag-start?
Nag-invest ako sa mga managed funds nung 2007. And then
may nag-introduce sa'yo?
wala, mas malaki lang yung pangarap ko.
Yeah.
so yun. And then I was doing managed funds. Tapos binabantayan ko siya araw-araw. Then na-realize ko, I'll try stocks. Then that's where it started. Pero I was already invested noon. I was invested already. Then I was doing business and I was employed at that time. So whatever I was saying there na you build multiple streams of income, I did all of that. I would work 16 hours a day before, 8 hours sa job, 8, 9, 10 hours sa job. Then the next 5, 6 hours, I would take the time to invest or do business.
Ayun yung sabi, ano?
Kung meron lang sana akong minana, parang si Phoebe. Grabe. Ay, nandiyan ka pala, Phoebe. Okay.
Yung you have to be faithful, sabi mo sa vlogs mo, you have to be faithful sa work mo,
Okay.
8 to 5, and then after that, you hustle. So, ganun yung ginagawa ko. From 8 to 5, pero pag gabi, so baligtad. And then, 4 hours
Okay.
na hustle. Pero kailangan ko pa rin ng 8 hours of sleep kasi
8
kaya
hours
4
of
hours
sleep.
lang yung hustle.
Okay. Okay lang.
Yun, so parang 12
Okay.
hours dun sa side job.
Okay.
What's your biggest mistake that you've done sa investing?
I should have started earlier. As in, I should have started
Di pa
earlier.
early yun?
If I knew this. Kaya nga, yung kids na nag-a-attend,
Yung 14?
naiingit ako sa kanila. The youngest that I've attended was 7 years old. Kung alam ko lang to ng 7 years old, ang dami kong ginastos sa basketball cards na ngayon it doesn't have any value anymore. Dami kong biniling rubber shoes, dami kong biniling sapatos, dami kong biniling mga jacket when I was in elementary and high school that isn't worth anything now. Yung palit ko ng phone nung high school, college ako kasi feeling kong pogi ako pag bago phone ko. If I invested all of them, it would have been massive right now. If I bought PLDT at a very, very low price, you can forgo technicals, you can forgo fundamentals if you have time eh. Time is still the greatest weapon that you can ever have eh. So, if I started at 7, bili mo 1990 yun, naabutan ko siguro yung Jollibee at 10 pesos. Hindi ko naabutan yung Jollibee at 10 eh. Diba? Yung mga ganung aspect. Ayun,
Time.
I would have started earlier. Yun, instead of during my summer days, I would have done stuff na wala, ngayon doesn't even matter. I would have worked in McDonald's para I would have gained the skills dun sa McDonald's na ganito pala, di ba? People would get a franchise to learn the system, di ba? Ako, I would just work in McDonald's and learn
Get the
everything
system.
from there so that when the time I reach college or ano, I can make my own also. Yun, mga ganong mistakes na, pero okay lang din kasi I wouldn't be where I am today also if those things did not happen. So, no regrets naman. Pero if you would ask me if what would I have done if knowing what I know now, I would have started earlier.
Galing.
Yun.
Last na.
Okay, go.
What's one thing you can advise beginners, those who are just started investing less than a year?
Start, put as much as you can right now.
Lagay.
Right now. That's why I keep saying this. I keep making the videos right now so that 10, 15, 20 years later, people will see na, oh nga no, tama pala, nag-start ako ngayon eh. So, put as much as you can now. If you have, kung ginagawa nila yung katulad ginagawa mo na as much as they have, they try to put everything there, it works eh. And I've been investing for 12 years. I'm 35 years old. I'm excited when I hit 60 because when I hit 60, I'll have 50 plus or 40 plus years of investing already. So, ganun ako ka-excited na the older I get, the more time I have for my investments to work for me. Yun yung exciting doon. Oo. So, put as much as you can. And guys, si Cristina single, so automatic may ipon na kayo pag kinasal kayo. Okay, so that's it. Oh, so if you're from the BPO industry, it's nice to see people who are saving and investing kasi that's something that doesn't happen all the time. People like to spend a lot and yun, it's nice to see people like this that are taking the time to save, invest, and also take care of their future. And then, okay lang din. How old are you if you don't mind?
32.
32, okay na, huwag kang mag-love life hanggang 45 para gastos lang yan. Oh, gastos lang. Oh. When you find the right one na lang or when he finds you, doon na lang. That's it.
Find the right mother-in-law.
Oo naman, very, very important yun. Okay. Thanks guys, bye-bye everyone. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, bye-bye.